Welcome to 1792 Grosvenor Place in the city of Mississauga. This home features 4 large bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and an incredible backyard with an in-ground saltwater pool. We're located in the community of Erin Mills. The University of Toronto Mississauga campus is a 10-minute walk. Credit Valley Hospital is less than 5 minutes, and the Arundel and Clarkson GO stations are just a short drive away. We have easy access to highways 403, 407, and the QEW. And if you're a nature lover, the Sawmill Valley Conservation Trail is just at the end of the street. This home is completely move-in ready, but what I love the most is the beautiful renovated gourmet kitchen. Come and check it out. Isn't this home spectacular? Couldn't you imagine hosting summer barbecues with your friends and family, pool parties, or just relaxing on the deck, enjoying a great cup of coffee in this beautiful backyard? If you'd like more information or to book your own private tour, give me a call. I'm Lisa with the Hanlon Real Estate Team, and thank you for watching.